Hello, Ayhan.
Hello.
Hi, Nazlı. Okay. Shamil, Fikriye, Ayhan, Nazlı, 4 people are here. Any more? Sadiq. Okay, Sadiq is also here. Guys, good to see you again. As you know, this is our last week. Today we have 1 hour and Thursday 1 hour. That's it. Okay. And after that, you will have Sasmo contest that is next Tuesday. And hopefully, Nazlı, are you going to get a gold medal or silver medal? What do you think? What is the expectation?
I don't know.
Yes. Nazlı, you will actually sit for P5 or P6?
What? Can you please?
In Sasmo
answer
contest,
that?
right? What will be your level? What level exam will you take? P5 or P6? How old are you now exactly, Nazlı? It is 11 or 12?
I'm 10. I'm 10.
If you are 10 years old, then you should take P5 then, Nazlı.
Okay.
I don't know actually, because usually Sasmo, you need to participate in this contest by your age, not by your grades. I don't know actually how they accept you, but if you take P5, it will be much better for you because your level is P5. Fikriye, you are 12 years old, right?
Yes.
Good. And
So
Fikriye,
I'm P6, yes.
huh?
So I am P6, yes.
Yes, you are
I will
P6.
take
If you're
P6.
like 11, 12 years old, you should take P6. And like 13 years old, it is S1. Okay. Good, guys, let's continue. So as you know, we actually practice questions until this, now it is 2017. Unfortunately, we actually did a bit slowly, but it's fine. Okay, I have already shared 2018 paper. You have to practice it at weekend. And anyway, we'll talk about the exam, how to sit, how to do the questions in our next class, in the last class. Okay, now let's practice as many questions as possible today. Yes.
I have a question. I have practiced some questions from 2018, and I have some questions from there. Can I send it to your WhatsApp?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
All right. So let's continue. We'll go a bit faster, hopefully. Find the value of the expression. Okay, now let's just do this maybe 2-3 questions together. And after that, maybe I will ask you to give a try and we will discuss together. In this kind of questions, okay, just look at the question and do not start adding these numbers. Okay, first see, can we just add them by grouping? As you see here, for example, 983, right? 83, I can group these numbers, two numbers together, and 55 and 345 together, and 77 and 23 together. At the time 2017 plus 983, what is it? It is 3000 plus 77 plus 23, that is 100, and 555 plus 345, that is 900, right? So what is the answer? It is 4000. So the answer is B. As see here, we didn't actually add the difficult, we didn't carry out any difficult addition here. Otherwise, if you add one by one, it is confusing and it is lengthy and it takes time, okay? Because in Sasmo Day, even 1 minute is very important because you have only 90 minutes to solve 25 questions. Okay. Shamil, read the question and answer the question.
What are the last two digits of 888 multiplied by 999?
What do you think, Shamil? How do you solve this problem? Do you just multiply? If you multiply, we don't, right? Fikriya, can you tell me an idea? What do you think? How do you solve this question?
I
It
think that we
says,
need to multiply two last digits, like 8 by 9, then it will be 72, and 8 by 9, 72, and plus 7, so it will be 79, 92.
okay, but instead of Fikriya, I would suggest you this. Look, especially, actually, they put this number, but they're expecting that can student write this as 888 times this 999? We can write it as 1000 minus 1, right? So what is the answer here? It is 888,000, and the 888 times 1, I have to subtract here, 888 minus. So that's the result here. Now 10 minus 8, it is 2. Here we have 9. 9 minus 8, it is 1. That is much faster. I didn't have to multiply anything. So here the answer is 12. Did you understand the idea of Kiriam?
Yes, yes.
Good. Next question. Shamil, since I can see your face, read it. If you disappear, then I will not ask you to read, okay?
If the 5-digit number 543A1 is divisible by 9, what is the value of the digit A?
Shamil, what numbers are divisible by 9? Do you remember?
The numbers which add up, all numbers, the sum of all numbers,
The sum of the digits, right? The sum of the digits
yes,
of the number
if
must be divisible by 9.
9, it is divisible.
Very good. So the sum of the digits, 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus capital A plus 1. If you
Then the
simplify
answer
this,
is
this is 9. And this one is, what is it? 13 plus A. So 13 plus what number is divisible by 9?
5.
A must be equal to 5. So what is the value of the digit A? The value of the digit A must be 5 if the given 5-digit number is divisible by 9. Very good. Fikriya, read the question.
Okay. Find the greatest three-digit numbers, which is divisible by 4 and 18.
Guys, I give you 1 minute. Solve it and write your answer in the chat box. That is a bit tricky question. Before we continue, Shamin, if I ask you this question, what numbers are divisible by 4 and 18?
By 4 is 1. All
No,
of
4 and
the
18 together. At the same time, it must be divisible by 4 and 18. So what numbers are divisible by 4 and 18? Multiples of what? Multiples of 36. Why? Because least common multiple of 4 and 18 is 36, right? So any number, I mean multiples of 36, like 36, 72, 108, right? These numbers are divisible by 4 and 18. But the question here is the greatest 3-digit number, which is divisible by this 36. Okay, Sadiq has the answer. How about the others?
I think it's C,
C.
936.
Fikriya, can you read the question again?
Find the greatest three-digit number, which is divisible by 4 and 18.
So Fikriya is saying that the greatest. Are you saying that this is the greatest? And how about this number 972? That is greater than 936 and it is divisible by 4 and 18, right?
Yes.
But do we have 972 here?
No, so the answer is E, none at
Yeah,
all.
because here, Fikira, that's why I told you this is a tricky question, because yes, 936, it is divisible by this, but it's not the greatest one. The greatest three-digit number, which is divisible by 4 and 18, is 972. We don't have such answer here. That's why here the answer is none of the above. Okay? I mean, that's why in Sasmo Day, you should read the questions well, okay? Then read one more time,
Okay.
twice, and what is asked, okay? And because here, why did you choose 936? A lot of students make this mistake because you are comparing the answers here, okay? If they ask among these numbers, which one is the greatest? At that time, you are right. But here, they're just asking the greatest digit number. So that is 972, and we don't have such answer here. So it is none of the above. All right, let's move to the next question. Nazlı, read the question. Nazlı,
Yes.
read the question.
The figure on the right is formed by identical squares with a length of 4. What is the perimeter of the figure?
What do you think, Nazlı? How do you find the perimeter of this figure? Yeah, just tell me the method. Huh?
We have to count all the sides and come up with the answer.
Good. Now let's do like this. Fikriye, do you have any answer? What did you get?
I'm solving.
Solving. Okay. Guys, try 1.5 minutes. After that, we will compare the answers and do it together. Ayhan, are you sure?
Yes.
Let's see. We have
Yes.
50 more seconds. Fikriye, how are you calculating this? Can you tell me your methods?
One by one.
No, first, I mean, did you calculate like first how many horizontal lines do we have and how many vertical lines?
Yes.
Ayhan, now your answer is correct, I think, Ayhan. Okay, Fikriye, let's just do it together, okay? And we know that the length of the squares with length of 4. That means that the length of each horizontal line, it is 4, and also vertical line, it is 4. So first, how many, when we just talk about the perimeter, we know the length of the boundary, right? The boundary of this figure. So how many horizontal lines do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we have 6 and 7 and 8 and 9. And this one is together 10. and this one is together 11, and this one is together 12, right? And the 13, 14, 15, 16. So that is 16 times 4, that is 48. Now, how about the vertical lines? Vertical lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did I miss any? No, this one is 64, right? Not 48. This one 64. So this one is, it is 48. So together, what is it? 112. Ayhan, why did you change your answer? Fikriye, did you get 112?
Yes.
What?
Fikri, Ayhan, why did you change your answer? Your answer is C or E?
C.
Now, why did you write E here? Okay. So the answer is 112, right? It is C. Okay, let's continue. Fikriye, read the question.
Okay. How many ways are there to cut out the word Sasmo from a piece of paper below? The word Sasmo must be in one piece, as shown in the example below.
How many ways? Guys, let's do this together, okay? Number one, if you start from here, S, right, and A, S, M, O, that is one. And how about here, S, A, S, M, O, number
Mister,
two? Yes,
it's five. It's six.
let's see, it's two now. S, A, S, M, O, it is three. And S, A, S, M, O, it is four. And how about this one? Starting from here, S, A, S, M, O, 5, S, A, S, M, O, 6, and the S, A, S, M, O. It's more than 6. Sadiq, I think it's more than 6. I think none of the above. Can you see that?
Yes.
Why? Because see here, we already count already more than 6. Because also you can start from here, for example, S, A, S, M, O, that's one. You can start from this A, S, A, S, M, O, S, A, S, M, O, S, A, S, M, O, S, A, S, M, O. It is more than 6. So it is none of the above. It is more than 6. Okay. Next question. Sadiq, can you read question 7?
Yes. Toby wrote down numbers from 1 to 100 on the whiteboard. Which digit appears the least number of times?
What do you think, Sadiq? Can you answer this question or you have to think?
What's digit?
Mr. Kazım,
Yes.
can it be 0?
Yes.
So my
Because
answer
0
is
appears
0.
how many times? 0 appears only as the last digit,
Only
right? Like for
9.
example, in 10 we have 0, in 20, in 30, and in
Yes.
90, and here we have in 100. And how many zeros here we have? Starting from 1, 2, 3 until 90, it's 9. and 10, 11. Here we have used only 11 zeros. But how about 1? 1 appears in 1 and 10, 11, 12, right? And here we have 19 and 21, 31, and also 100, right? How many? It is 21. And how about 2? Also, it's about 20. 3, also 20. 4, 20. Actually, this 2, 3, 4, they appear the same number of times, okay? Because 12 and because 13 comes right after 12, right? 14 comes right after 13. So the number of 2s, 3s, 4 are the same. But here, 0, it just comes as a second digit. So it is 0. All right, let's continue. Next question. Uh, Nazlı, read the question.
Okay. The right figure formed by 4 squares. The second square is inscribed inside the first square by joining the midpoint of the sides at the first, and so on. What is the ratio of the area smallest square to the largest square?
What is the ratio of the area of the smallest square to the area of the largest square?
Mm,
Okay, any answer?
I think that it is C or A or none of the above.
Look, let me draw this line, okay? Divide them. And also from here. And okay. So now if you look at this, for example, okay, we are going to find the ratio of the smallest, what is it? Square to the area of the big one, right? So if this one is A, let me just start from here, A. And also this should be A, right? Because diagonal, it divides the square into 2 equal parts. Also this should be A, and also that is A. And also this one is A. And even I don't have to write AA, you know, since it can be anything. We are looking for, we are talking about the ratio. We can just use like 1. If it is 1, and also this should be 1. it is 1. Also, this one is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now, if you look at this one, also this area should be 1. And also that is 1. Also, this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So now, and how about the big one? I need to draw one more time, I think. Okay. Okay. How about if I draw from here, right? If I draw from here, hmm. Okay, if I draw from here, right, and draw here, right, like this. Okay, like this. So it is this one simple as see here 1, 1, 1, 1. So this area is it is 4. This one is 4. This one is 4, right? So also this one is 4. Okay. So if it is 4, okay. Anyway, so what is the area of the smallest square? That is 4, right? Here we have 1, 1, 1. And how about the big one? That is, how many ones do we have here? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And also at the bottom, the same. It is 8, 8, 16. And also here we have 4, 4, 4, 4. Also it is 16. What is it? 8, 8, 16, 16, and 16, 32. Yes, it is 32, right? Because at the top, if you just check, even not actually all of them, just one part, right? If you just count this and multiply by 4, what is it? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Multiply by 4, it is 32. So the area of the biggest square is 32. So if you simplify this, it is 4 times 1 over 4 times 8. So the ratio is 1 to 8. Okay, Fikriye, Nazlı, Sadık, and do you have any questions?
No.
I think maybe simpler way we can do this, but this just comes to my mind. But instead of 1, also we can write like 2 or something. But that's how we do this. Anyway, girls, let's continue. Boys, to the next question. It's not so hard, but just you need to think a little bit. Okay, Sadik, can you read the question? It's also a very easy question.
Yes, Grace and Paul join a marathon together. They start at the same time beside each other. Grace runs at 6 kilometers every hour, and Paul runs at 8 kilometers every hour. After how many minutes will Paul be 5 kilometers ahead of Grace?
Okay, after how many? Here we are talking about Grace, right? And the Paul. And Grace speed is, what is it? 6 kilometers per hour. And how about this guy's speed? It is 8 kilometers per hour. That means that every hour, right, the distance between them, actually, it's just opening by how much it is 2. So it says after how many, what is it? After how many minutes will Paul be 5 kilometers ahead of Grace? So because here they start at the same time and he's running, right? And also they start at the same time. But of course, Paul is running faster. He will be somewhere here. So the distance between them, right? Actually, the difference is it is 5 kilometers. So how do you find this? It is, let's say, after 10 minutes, right? This one is after 10 minutes. He will cover this distance time, speed times time. And how about this guy? This covers this much distance, right? So that's equal to 8 times t. So 8t minus 8t minus 60, that the difference between their distances, that's equal to 5 kilometers. From here, what is t? 5 over 2 hours. And that's 2.5 hours. That's equal to 150 minutes. So the answer is D, right? Okay. Sadiq, is it clear?
A little, yes.
Okay. Next question. Ayhan, can you read the question?
Yes.
Read it.
Jane has 120 candles. She wants to spirit them
Separate.
into
Separate.
separate them into different plastic bags. She put 8 candies in each small plastic bag. Total, she used 17 plastic bags. How many big plastic bags did she use?
Very easy question, guys. You have 1.5 minutes, okay? Start doing now. And I suggest you to form a simple equation and solve this. Make a table first, okay? We have big plastic bags and the small plastic bags. In each big plastic bag, actually, we put 8 candies. In the small one, 6, right? The question is, how many big plastic bags did she use? Yes, Shamil, Nazlı, Fikriye, Ayhan, any answers?
No.
Okay. Fikriye, no answer?
No.
Why not? Here, let's do like this. Let's make a table, okay? Because here we are talking about 2 different sizes of plastic bags, right? So this one, let's say this big one, and this one is small one, okay? So in the big one, how many big plastic bags do we have? It says a big plastic bags, right? I don't know. Let's say we have N plastic bags. Now, Fikriya, how many small plastic bags do we have?
17 minus n.
That's correct. In each big plastic bag, we put how many candies? It is 8. In the small one, how many? 6. Altogether, how many candies? 120. So we have n big plastic bags, and each of them we have 8 candies. And we have 17 minus small bags, right? In each we have 6 candies. 17 minus n. So that's equal to 120. That's our equation. So now we have to solve this 8n. 6 times 17, 102, minus 6 times n, that is 6n. On the right hand side, we have 120. 8n minus 6n, that's equal to 2 times n. Take 102 to the right hand side. Also, it changes its sign. 120 minus 102. So what is n? N equals 120 minus 102. That's equal to 18 and over 2. So we have 9 big plastic bags. Is it? In total, she used 17 plastic bags. How many big plastic bags did she use? It is 9. So we don't have 9. Here it is none of the above. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Next question. Fikriye, read the question.
In sequence below, some numbers are missing. Each number is the sum of its two preceding numbers. What's the value of
Preceding.
x?
What does preceding mean?
I don't know.
Preceding means
I don't know
coming
how
before, right?
to.
Coming before. Succeeding
Yes,
means
yes,
coming
yes.
after. Okay.
Before.
That means that if I add this term plus this term, we get this term, right? And add these two preceding terms, we get the next term. It's like if you remember Fibonacci sequence, right? Like 1 and 1, 1 plus 1 it is 2, 1 plus 2 it is 3. So to get the term, we need to add two preceding terms. So it's also something like this, like Fibonacci sequence. If it is so, the question is, each number is the sum of its two preceding numbers. What is the value of x? Yo, guys, let me just give you one hint, okay? Let's say this number is A and this number is B. I don't know. Now from here, what is 16 plus A is equal to B, right? So B is equal to 16 plus A. And now from here, what is A plus B is equal to 68. So 68 is equal to A plus B. Now this is a hint for you, okay? So using this idea, can you determine the value of x? You have 90 seconds. Ayhan, did you get it?
Yes.
What did you solve it or not yet? Fikriye, how about you?
No. No.
Şamil, Nazlı? Okay, now from here, Fikriye, look, here we know B, right? B equals 16 plus 8. So substitute into this equation, 68 plus A equals A plus, what is B? Instead of B, I will substitute 16 plus A because B equals 16 plus A. So now if you solve this, A plus A, it is 2A. Take 16 to the left-hand side, 68 minus 16. So 2A is equal to 52. What is A? A equals 52 is divided by 2. That's equal to 26. Okay. So if A equals 26, what is B? B equals 16 plus A, right? A is 26, so that's equal to 42. So now I will actually write the sequence from the right hand side. The last term here is 68. It continues. What is B? B is 42. And what is A? A is 26. And 42 minus 26, that's equal to 16. 26 minus 16, that's equal to 10. 16 minus 10, that's equal to 6. And 10 minus 6, that's equal to 4. And 6 minus 4, do we have to, is 16? 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 4, that's equal to 2. As you see here, 2, 4. 2 plus 4, it is 6. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 10, 16. And 16 plus 26, blah, blah, blah. So the value of x is 2. Fikriye, is it understood?
Yes, understood.
Good. Let's continue. Sadiq, are you here?
Yes.
Sadiq, can you read the question?
Yes, teacher Thomas did a survey of primary 6 students to find out how the students go to school. The results are shown in the pie chart. What is the value of angle A for the train sector in the pie chart?
Okay. Sadiq, what do you think? How do you solve this problem? Do you have any idea?
I think yes.
What is it?
We should make for all percents to get 360.
Very good. Very good. So what is the sum of all the people, right? What is it? It is 84, let's say 84 plus 56 plus 25 plus 110 plus 175 is equal to how much? This one is 200 and this one is what is it? 200 and 200 plus 200 plus 84 and the plus 56 and the plus 110. So that's equal to, altogether here we have 450 students. That means that 450 students, right, they actually form 360 degrees. And we are talking about the number of students who go to school by train. So that is alpha, not alpha. It is 110, right? So that is alpha degrees. Now draw a line and cross multiply. 450 alpha is equal to 360 times 110. So immediately, of course, we have to simplify the 0, 0. They cancel each other. Alpha is equal to 36 times 110 over 45, right? So we know how to simplify. The 36, I can write it as 4 times 9. And 110, it is 5 times 22 over 45 is 9 times 5. So 9, 9, they cancel each other. 5, 5, they cancel each other. 4 times 22, that is 88 degrees. So the alpha is 88 degrees. Okay, Fikriya, I think if I give you time, you can do this. That's quite easy question. But I will ask you guys the next question. Fikriya, can you read the question?
Okay, a square paper is folded as shown below. In the final steps, 3 holes with different shapes are made. Where will the holes appear on the paper when it's unfolded back to its original size?
Where will the holes appear on the paper when it is unfolded back to its original size? As you see here, we made 3 different holes. One is in triangular shape, second one is in a circular shape, and third one is diamond shape, right? So after that, you just unfold this, right, and form the original rectangle, the paper. Shamil, what do you think? Which one is the answer here? And why?
I think it is E.
D?
Yes.
Why?
Can't be. Can't be.
This D is not possible. Look at this triangle, right? This one doesn't have image. Fikriye,
We
what did you
cannot.
say?
I said it's not possible to like. It's not possible.
Yeah,
D.
D is
The
not
answer D.
possible. D is not possible.
Because of circles. Because of circles.
Yeah, also because of this triangle, you see that it doesn't have pair, right? Also,
Yeah,
this
yes,
side there
yes,
must be
yes, yes, yes.
triangle. Okay, how about, for example, A? Can A be the answer?
But
Anyway, guys,
can
let's do it like this. And also A is not possible because of these triangles, okay? They are not looking towards each other. Huh?
The answer is C.
The answer is B.
B. How?
Neil, how actually these two triangles can be looking upward or upside or pointing?
Oh, yeah.
Because here on the paper you can just try this, okay? If you unfold this, the image of this triangle will be like this. And if you unfold this again, it will be here like this. Right? Because you're unfolding this, right? So they are looking towards each other. So that's why actually A is not possible, and also C is not possible. And also this one, actually they are looking towards different parts, right? Different directions, also it's not possible. So the answer is only B, because they must be looking towards each other, right? These triangles. Okay, that's it. Let's move to the next question. What is the last digit of the expression below? Any idea?
Is it 6?
Yes. Why?
I remember that on the last lesson or before you said that if we multiply two numbers, then the last digit will always be same when if we multiply it by again that numbers.
And we know that actually if you multiply like 6 by 6, the last digit is 6. 6, I mean the powers of 6,
Yes.
the last digit is 6. Here we have 2017, 2017 threes, right? If you just pair them, what is 2 times 3? It is 6. 2 times 3, it is 6. And here we have 6. How many 6 do we have here? 2017. And we know that the last digit of 666 is always 6. And that's why it is 6. Okay. Fikriye, can you read the question?
Okay, Amy and her four friends each own a cat. The names of the cats are Max, Oliver, Charlie, Kitty, and Smokey. The color of the cat is either black or white, but not both. Three cats are black and the other two cats are white. Oliver and Smokey have the same color. C. Charlie and Kitty have different colors. D. Three cats are male and the other two cats are female. Max and Charlie have the same gender. F. Kitty and Smokey are different genders. If Amy's cat is female and white, what's the name of Amy's catty? Cat.
It's very long question. Three cats are black and the other two cats are white. Okay. and Oliver and Smokey have the same color. And from C, Charlie and Kitty have different colors. That means that Oliver, Smokey, they cannot be white because we have only two white cats, right? If it is white, Charlie or Kitty, it is white. That's why it cannot be white. So three cats are black and the other two cats are white. So this Oliver and Smokey, it must be black and black. So their color is black. Uh, okay, here we have Max and Oliver, Charlie, Kitty, and Smokey. So Oliver, it is black color, let's say, color and the gender. So Oliver, it is black. We know that's, and also Smokey, it is black. But Charlie and Kitty have different colors. We don't know which one is black. So three cats are male and the other two cats are female. And Max and Charlie have the same gender. And the three cats are male and the other two cats are female, right? So Max and Charlie have the same gender, and Kitty and Smokey are different genders. So different genders, that means that since we have only two cats are female, right? So Max and Charlie, they must be, what is it, male. And Max, it is male, and Charlie also male. And if Amy's cat is female and white, what is the name of Amy's cat? So we have two possibilities, right? For example, I draw another table maybe here because I need to make two tables and we have to consider two cases. So here we have M, O, C, K, S. And here they are color and the gender. All right. Now the first possibility here, it says that Charlie and Kitty have different colors, right? And suppose that here Charlie is black. So in this case, Charlie is black, but here in this case, Charlie is white. Okay, Charlie is white. So if Charlie is black here, M must be white, and also Kitty must be white, right? And here, if it is actually this black, they don't change. This one is black. And also S, it is black, it doesn't change. If it is white, at the time, black, white. If it is white, if Charlie is white, then Kitty must be black here. Kitty must be black. So black, it must be white. Anyway, M is white, right? Continue. Okay, three cats, it is gender. And Max and Charlie have the same gender. So Max and Charlie. Okay, here Max and Charlie, let's say it is male. All right, so it must be male. Then Max, it is male. It doesn't change. Charlie, it is also M, right? And Kitty and Smokey have different genders. So in the first case, suppose that Kitty, it is male. So here Kitty is male. In the second case, Kitty is female. So how many male? We have three. So it is male, F, right? It is male. So this must be female. This must be also female. In the second case, if Kitty and Smokey have different genders, if Kitty is male, Smokey must be female. Smokey must be female. So we have also this one's male. What's the question? If Amy's cat is female and white, right? What is the name of the cat? So where is white here? White, it is, let me just circle here. Either it is this one or this one, right? And also it says a female, but in this case, both are male. In the first case, it is white and white. So here it is male. This one is also male. If Amy's cat is female and white, female and white, M, F, white. What is the name of Amy's cat? Where did we make a mistake, Fikriye? Did you see? Did we make a mistake anywhere?
I don't know.
Here, white, okay, MM. So white cats are female and white, but we don't have any white and female. They are all male. Okay, black. So this black, it is 3, white, it is 2. MF, MF. MF, how about this one? MF, MF. So it is white M, white M. Okay. Okay. Let's just make a table, all right, and after that we will discuss. Now its time is up, and this will be your homework. Okay, have a look, and if you have solution, we will continue from question 15 next time. And as you know, questions 16 to 25, they are a bit long questions, and we will see.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, girls. We will meet you. I will meet you on Thursday. That will be our last class, and also talk about the Sasmo exam. Okay, thank you very much. See you on Thursday.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye, Mr. Chazım.
Bye, Ahan. Thank you very much. Bye.